Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cotton candy shake at home. Start with the core ingredients for a delightful cotton candy shake. You'll need about 2 cups of your preferred ice cream, 1 cup of cold milk, and a generous 2-ounce portion of cotton candy. Don't forget a few ice cubes for extra chill. Having a reliable blender and your favorite serving glasses on hand will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple combination forms the perfect base for a sweet treat. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your 2 cups of ice cream, 1 cup of milk, and the 2 ounces of cotton candy into your blender. For an extra frosty and thick shake, toss in about 4 to 6 ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high for approximately 30 seconds, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth and all the cotton candy has dissolved. This step is key to a luscious texture. Personalize your cotton candy shake with exciting additions. For a burst of extra flavor, try adding 1 tablespoon of strawberry or raspberry syrup. If you want a visually stunning shake, incorporate 2 to 3 drops of food coloring to match your cotton candy's hue. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract can also deepen the sweetness. Experiment with these options to create your unique, delicious masterpiece. It's time to serve your amazing cotton candy shake. Carefully pour the blended mixture into 2 tall glasses. For a delightful finish, add a generous swirl of whipped cream on top of each shake. You can also garnish with a small, fresh piece of cotton candy or a sprinkle of colorful edible glitter. Serve immediately and enjoy this whimsical, sweet treat that's perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.